Hello, my name is Jay BOARDMAN. I'm president and co-founder of HeliosLite. HeliosLite is a French startup, one of the Kick babies. So Kick Energy is one of our shareholders from day one. We manufacture, after having designed a dual-axis tracker for PV and high concentrator PV panels. Our company was created in 2013, and our first sale was to Irizen for a CPV and PV system installed, as well as in the Green Energy Park. We're a company, I'd say, built on the idea of cooperations. In other words, that we look for opportunities like we did with Ines to develop our first product, to work with Irizen in better understanding local climates. We also cooperate with Club Med in Senegal and other companies as well. So I think this is part of the infrastructure we look for, definitely as a way to cooperate, to get into local markets, because it's not just having a good product, but it's also knowing how to adapt the product to local market needs, which might be climatic, which are also related to the cost, as well as the different technologies required to install, because the different requirements depend upon I'd say, the resources available, the training and things like that. This is something that we've learned after almost 18 months of working in Morocco and Senegal and also in Australia. I think there's three key aspects. One is visibility. In other words, seeing that there's a long-term potential in a market. Stability. This means that the governments should be aware that to develop, whether it be education or whether it be living or obviously business, stability in the rules is very, very important to see how you play out over the time. And then a point which you just raised, this question is about how to de-risk. So how do PV panels act in the desert? How do they behave in sandstorms and things like that? Until this risk has been taken out, then businesses will be reluctant to invest massively in that context. So I think this is where there's a very, I'd say, common interest of working on research platforms and that type of work that can be done to do an incremental step to be able to get better visibility. The government assures better long-term stability, as well as to de-risk the technologies.